Welcome. If you're looking to make sure you never miss a message on Discord, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to enable the Unread message badge on Discord web using your PC with the latest update. This simple badge puts a red dot on your Discord icon, letting you know the moment you have a new message waiting. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra, just head to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. Click on that gear to open your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you control all your Discord notification preferences. Now look for the option that says Enable Unread Message Badge. This setting is what triggers the red dot to appear on your Discord tab or icon whenever you have unread messages. Make sure this option is switched on. If it's off, just click the toggle to enable it. That's it. From now on, whenever you receive a new message, whether it's in a server, a group, or a direct message, a red badge will show up, alerting you instantly. This makes it much easier to stay on top of conversations, especially if you're active in multiple servers or chats. If you ever find the badge distracting, you can always come back to these settings and turn it off. But for most users, having that visual cue is a great way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to catch every message on Discord with the Unread message badge enabled. Stay connected and enjoy chatting.